Hey guys, okay, so this is kind of like a mini part of the tour. I'm going outside and it is really cold. Just make sure I got my keys because Phoebe is not in at the moment. Only in England can you get snow. I don't know if it's actually picking this up, but it is actually snowing right now. I'm not sure you can really see, but yeah, it's actually snowing. This is actually my garden, or our garden. We have this pond which is in need of a lot of work. It does have a fountain, a working fountain, but there's a lot of algae in there, as you can see, so I'm going to enjoy clearing that out. We do have a road next to us which sounds quite loud, but you don't actually really hear it when you're in there. That's the view of the actual place. That's our new house. Still can't really see the snow on the camera, but I have to take my word for it that it is actually snowing. So what I'm going to do is got basically some bread here, and oh Jesus Christ, it's cold. I think all the actual bread that I put in there from last time is gone, which is pretty cool. Oh my god, it is freezing. Okay, so I actually put this birdhouse up myself, as you can see. Good old trusted Royal Mail cable ties. Put a bit on top, and got some more over here which I'm going to rip, and then I kind of just throw some around, lure them in. Oh my word. Okay, so I'm going to show you the other side of the property. You may just, that's where the birdhouse is. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. So, this is the property, that's the road that goes by. And this is kind of the view from outside. So it's a really nice property. Lovely day. It's actually blue sky, and yet it's snowing. So, okay, so that's the outside. We do have like gates that we can close at the bottom of our garden. Let me walk around here a bit. We have a couple of nice big trees in the back, and also we have this one which used to be a pond, but it's in a bit of a state. As you can see, some stones kind of broke and missing and all sorts of stuff going on. What else have we got? Oh yeah, and kind of another pond over here as well, which is empty. Obviously they were kind of already in that condition when we got here. Got some solar panels on the roof. I don't know if it actually makes a difference. We have to wait until the bill comes in. And that's the garage, which is coming really handy for all the moving boxes and kind of just general boxes. I kind of pop in there when I need a big box to send something. It's our kitchen, bathroom. So yeah, it's quite a nice area. It's a big area outside. Nice tractor going by. Okay, so that was the outside. I'm going to go indoors because it's flipping cold and I can't feel my fingers. So that's the outside of the tour. I'll do the inside some other day. This was a kind of a spur of the moment thing because I had to feed the birds anyway. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm going back in. Cheers.